Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I know it's been a little bit since I put a video out. Life gets in the way, but if you can like, share, and subscribe, definitely helps me out, especially with the YouTube algorithm. Doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for notification, and giving it a thumbs up helps me out a ton because YouTube is not pushing the videos like they used to. But if you guys like little teeny tiny cars, the kind you can kind of rub on the carpet and pull it back till it clicks, I got something for you, and it's small. This little guy. 1957 BMW Isetta. I've seen pictures of these, seen videos online. This one is only here for transport though. But it's super, super tiny. I mean, I've seen some small cars. This takes the cake. It is super little. It looks like, you know, those little kids' cars that are like yellow and red, the plastic ones, you just push them around the yard. It kind of looks like that. This is just kind of the adult version. And this little thing right here is actually worth $39,000 now. That is crazy. $39,000 for this. Absolutely insane. But somebody loves this car. It's here for transport. So, I mean, it's cool that it actually has this luggage on here. I mean, these are, I don't know if they're reprints or something, but they're old, even though this is on upside down. But yeah, it's the smallest thing I've ever seen in my life. Could you imagine going cross country in this thing, how long it would take you? You can't drive it on the thruway, it doesn't weigh enough. I'd be horrified to drive this on the thruway because a semi would blow you clean off the road. You'd end up in a ditch somewhere and nobody would find you. And the tires, I mean, this is my fingers. They give you an idea of how wide they are. It's super, I mean, a large pizza is bigger than that. I mean, it's street legal, which is pretty amazing. These glass windows are, yeah, these are glass. Yeah, these are glass. They're not plexiglass. The top of this comes off, so it does. And Dan's going to be shooting some videos here, so we're both trying to work together here on this. But yeah, it is super, super tiny. Yeah, even though it's a Saturday here, everybody's still working. Dan does all their marketing here and all their pictures. So, I don't know if you can... Oh, this is bolted on. So this is the cover for the motor. Yeah, nowhere to frost. But this actually opens up. If you're really tall, you're probably going to stick your head out of there. And it actually has one windshield wiper. One door. This is it. It is pretty cool how the whole steering column swings with it. And this is supposed to seat 2 people. That's cramped. But they wanted to make a car that was, I'm gonna get into, oh my God, I feel huge. I am 6 foot. You just pull it down like that and then lock it into place and you are locked in. But yeah, it's got a little speedometer and this goes up to 60. Please tell me that is wrong. 60 miles an hour. Yeah, 1957 BMW Isetta. Okay, the turn signals. Yeah, that works. I'm just trying to figure out what these all do. I don't know. I don't want to break nothing. But I don't know if this is some kind of aerator to come in. This is your Oh yeah, here's your, I'm gonna have to get my phone out for this because it's a little dark in here. It's a 4-speed, if you can see that. Yeah, first gear is bottom right, second, third, and fourth, and it's got your reverse. So it's a 4-speed, which is pretty amazing. And then here's all your, God, you had to shift this thing like this? Good Lord. Wow. But yeah, it is teeny, teeny, tiny. Your little teeny tiny rearview mirror. Trying to look behind you, but this does open up. I don't want to, oh, I got my fingers stuck in there. Yeah, I mean, it does open up. I don't want to break anything on here because they don't own it. But at least it does have these slide windows. But even me being right here, I mean, trying to drive this, and you have somebody next to you, you better be really thin. Because it's going to be a cramp ride. Could you imagine taking your significant other cross country in this thing? That will put your relationship through the test very quickly. But yeah, it gives you a little pouch right there. What I don't even know what some of this stuff does, but yeah, that's how it. Oh yeah, it even gives you a little sun visor, and it's cardboard. Wow, they wanted to build a cheap vehicle, they got it. But yeah, it is. It's so small. Oh my God, getting out of this thing is a little challenging. Oh, the door just hit me, grabbing my coat. But yeah, that's all the room you get in this little guy. Anything, I mean, the motor obviously will sit back in there. You got a little bit of space. I mean, I don't know if you push down on it, will it move down? Yeah, it's like, that's cardboard. Yeah. Wow. So if you have one of these or know somebody who has one or ever taken a trip or a ride in one of these, I want to hear your story because I always respond to anybody who sends me any kind of a message on here. But yeah, it is super small. Kind of scary. That's the door you get in and out of. I would never want to get into an accident with this thing with a full-size vehicle. You're not making it out. But these little things are so rare now. Super, super rare. And your little tiny exhaust pipes. You could clog these up with your fingers. I mean, my pinky I can clog it up with. That's how small it is. And some of these, yeah, it's got 4 wheels on it. Shocking. I don't know, I kept thinking for some reason it only had 3 wheels. But yeah, I mean, it's all metal. Hard metal. Which is pretty cool. Your little luggage for when you're driving. Yeah, just take your suitcase and put it on there and off you go. There's a sticker back there for that lever. If you can see that, I can't really read it from here. I felt it, but I didn't want to pull on it because I didn't know what it did. But yeah, this little thing, I'm sure it's not the fastest thing on the planet. That thing says it does 60. That better be in kilometers because I don't know if I'd want to do 60 miles an hour in something this small. That would be a little scary to do 60 in this. Or you could do something really cool if you found one of these and didn't have a motor in it, and you put like a crotch rocket motor in the back of it. That'd be pretty interesting. Then you're going to do 60. But it's so small. It's so small, it's adorable, you know? But yeah, for a 1957, now do the math in your head. This thing has been around 74 years. And it's still around. 74 years old. And it looks like a kid's ride. It looks like something you would see at the carnival or the county fair. And the little kids go around the carousel on it. But yeah, there you go. Wow. I've never seen one, and I came in here yesterday and I seen it, and I wanted to get in here and record it, but unfortunately, you know, they were closed by 5 o'clock, and I couldn't get in here. But yeah, there you have it. This little teeny tiny thing, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up here. I hope you had fun seeing this video and enjoyed watching it. I have plenty more really cool cars, supercars, hypercars, muscle cars, weird ones, armor plated, bulletproof, you name it. I have pretty much recorded it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.